Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and we help basically companies in managing and optimizing their Google Ads, Facebook Ads account, and also work in SEO and Google Merchant Centers. So, in case if your Google Ads account is suspended, or in case if you're looking help with Google Ads, my team and I will be gladly able to help and work out with you. So, this video is about an egregious violation of a Google Ads, which is very serious. So, this is a successful case study of an account, which was suspended for egregious violation by Google Ads, and the steps we took on and how we were able to get the account up and running. I'm going to explain in this video. But before I start, in case if you have any of your Google Ads account suspended for egregious violation and you are looking for a help on that, so let me tell you that me and my team will be gladly available to help you out and work on such cases where we can restore your Google Ads account for such cases and get your ads up and running. So in case if you're looking for help, you have to follow the link in the description. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started on the case study. And before I'm going to start on the case study, I'm going to show you the account. So let's get started on this, and let me show you that account first. So let me log in into my one of my MCCs where we were able to get it restored. Okay, because we run multiple MCCs and we have multiple MCCs account, so this is another MCC here loaded. So because I cannot show you every detail, so let me open that and show it to you where we got it unsuspended. So let me show where it is. So here you can see 3 accounts are unsuspended. So in other videos I have talked about other MCC. In this video I'm going to talk about this MCC where our account was suspended for egregious violation and we were able to get it back up and running. Okay, you can see, let me show you the all-time spend of this account. Okay, so here you can see that, okay, I was running an affiliate offer, okay, and the account got suspended for this. So you can see that the account is unsuspended. You can even see the ad. We are very open with it. You can see the ad as well, because that ad does not work longer, or we do not work more on this niche, so which is why I'm showing you this. So you can see, okay, so but first understand what is egregious violation. So in case if you look out on the Google, what Google says on egregious violation is basically a very serious violation, because Google feels that the website may present harm or something very dangerous for a user. So let me tell you that there are two very dangerous Google Ads violation, or even this applies for Google Merchant Center as well. Just to note that we also help in Google Merchant Center account restorations as well. One is Google Ads account suspended for circumventing systems, and the second is the Google Ads account suspended for egregious violation. Because in case of your account is egregious violation, is suspended for egregious violation, so then you can forget to get it restored, because the process is really, really, really hard, time taking, and you need a lot of patience. So in case if you ask me, or if you read the article on this, how Google detects this, Google has a system, Google has a very advanced algorithm to determine on this. So in case if your website or your account is being suspended for egregious violation, then you have to look on like so yeah, it is very difficult to get it up and running. So prime reasons: circumventing system, coordinated deceptive practices, counterfeit, promotion of unauthorized pharmacies, unacceptable business practices, trade sanction violation, or sexually explicit content. But basically, in case if you ask me, the first thing you have to do to get your account up and running for egregious violation is to have a deep overview of your competitors. This is the first thing I'm going to say, is that deep overview of your competitors. In case if your competitor is running ads on this, how they are running it is to actually examine all of their pages and ads for compliance, and have a comparison with your own landing page, and ads for compliance. So you might knowingly or unknowingly losing out something. You are either making a claim or you are doing deceptive means you are making fool, like you, in case if you say that get a free domain and host, and when a people is going to buy, you're going to give him a surprise extra charges. That is deceptive. Deceptive is another scenario. For instance, you say that 70% off, and in reality it is just 45% off. That is also deceptive and circumventing system, that you are actually losing out. You are doing clocking. Okay, clocking is also not acceptable. What happens is clocking is that you show something different to your visitors, and you show something different to Google search report. Whenever he tries to understand your website, you show a different, and on your website you do it. So in case if you're doing clocking, that is not allowed with Google Ads, and Google Ads is very strict regarding clocking. So you are going to get an egregious violation in case if your account gets suspended for clocking. So, clocking or even unauthorized pharmacies. By unauthorized pharmacies means that the medicines which are not medically approved to be sold to anyone without any prescription. That is also come down in unauthorized pharmacies. And let me tell you that I was running a health offer. But in reality we were providing a medicine. So Google Ads suspended our account, and it was because unauthorized acceptable pharmacy ads. Why? Because that product we were selling without any prescription, we did not have any FDA approved certifications, which is mandatory in case if you are going to sell in US. But again, every country has different rules. You need to understand what are the rules over there. And then once you are done with this, unauthorized pharmacy, or you are done with this, then you have to look on your account for possible mistakes or claims. Okay, you are using someone else's credit card. Okay, that is also not acceptable. Okay, sexually explicit content is also not acceptable, where you show something more than required in a particular region, because every country has a different rules and regulations for this compliance. So you need to work closely on the country which you are trying to run at. So in case if you are doing sexually explicit content, then again you are in trouble with egregious violation, which is very serious and very hard to recover on. And then the other reasons could be trade sanction practices or unacceptable business practices. I also have a case study regarding Google Ads account suspended for unacceptable business practices, where I discuss in detail on what was the reason and how we were able to cope out, what changes we did on the website, what changes we did on the account, what changes we did on the billing, and then work closely with our dedicated manager to get the account back up and running. So that is again a very important thing, is to have a close contact, because we are a Google partner company, and we have a dedicated contact, and because we have done and solved many cases regarding Google Ads suspension. So which is why now we are able to know many of the things which we were not which we didn't know. I mean, which you didn't know years ago. So based on our experience, now we look at the things, and we basically suggest few things on the, like, you need to have your about us, contact us page, terms of service page, privacy policy page. You also need to educate how you collect payment, what data you take from your user, how you store credit card information, what are your policies regarding refund. So we discuss in detail regarding these things, and how do we collect payments, what payment methods we accept. And again, in case if you are having issue, like in case if you are selling counterfeit products, but like counterfeit is something like a copy or a replica product. You are not allowed to sell Nike's replica products. You are not allowed. You cannot sell a duplicate product of some product. So in case if you are doing counterfeit products, again, then your Google Ads account can be suspended for egregious violation, and which can land you in trouble. So you need to look on all of these issues to get your account restored. So okay, just showing you that we were able to get, because this account was suspended for egregious violation and took us a while to get it up and running. But we had to explain, we had to do changes on the website to get it up, and now the website, because I'm going at the time of creating this video, we have stopped this website. So because we like to discuss in detail regarding this with you guys. So you cannot steal or copy our content, don't worry. but I'm just telling you, I'm trying to help you on this, that the issues were like this, that we did these things. We looked on the competitors, we looked on the website, we looked on the compliance, we did everything. And once we did it, we conveyed to Google. How you convey your information to Google is also very important. Yeah, you get a appeal form where you can discuss on, like, now this is another MCC. Okay, now you're going to explain over there on. So that is also very important. How do you convey your information with Google? You have to be descriptive regarding what issues, what was the issue, and how you were able to resolve. So Google is very concerned. Like, if you are not concerned regarding your account suspension, it means that you're going to send a random message. But in case if you are concerned, so then add send a detailed message regarding what has happened exactly, and how you cope up with the violations, and how you rectify those issues. So that is the best formula of coping up with Google Ad suspension. So in case if you are looking for our help in getting your account restored or unsuspended, so the link details are in the description. Once again, thank you for watching this video. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you, and bye bye.